lined up for you. Let's begin with the updates that are coming in. First up, let's tell you about what happened in the national capital late last night. A demolition drive near Ramlila Maidan in Old Delhi that triggered a lot of tension. Last night, the authorities, assisted by the police, started a demolition drive to remove the encroachments near a centuries-old mosque in Old Delhi. Now, this demolition drive was to start at 8 a.m. but started at 1 a.m. Videos showed bulldozers demolishing portions of the mosque while heavy police deployment in the place. Let's also get you the shocking part. The police officials have said that some people indulged in stone pelting. The situation was then brought under control through measured and minimal use of force. Then demolition was carried on. The directions of the High Court. So this demolition comes at the direction of the High Court. The encroached area in the vicinity of this masjid near Ramlila Maidan now being bulldozed. The police officials say that during the course of the demolition, a few miscreants had indulged in stone pelting. The situation was promptly brought under control through measured and minimal use of force, ensuring that normalcy was restored without any escalation. Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. The Delhi police have so far detained around 10 people in this regard in the anti-encroachment drive that also led to stone pelting. So there were some miscreants who were seen pelting stones at the officials who were merely there to carry out their duty. And after this stone pelting, now arrests have been made as well. 10 people have been detained by the police officials. Stones were pelted at the police personnel because in this anti-encroachment drive, police officials had also been deployed at the spot. So there was stone pelting. Police officials were also injured, but now action has also been taken because the police officials have detained as many as 10 people in this regard. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Niyamika, take us through what happened. And we're told in the latest crackdown by the police, 10 people who pelted stones have also been detained by the police officials.
Well, yes, indeed, Pratibha. But firstly, I would like to show you the visuals here, as right now we are standing here at the spot from where the stone pelting had taken place yesterday. This is the area from where the people have started gathering and they have started pelting stones at the police officials who were standing here. As you can see right now that there is a two-layer of barricading which is already being done by the Delhi police, as the RPF personnel are also being deployed here. There is a heavy police deployment which is being placed here only because these people are not being allowed to even step outside their residence after what has happened yesterday night when the demolition drive was taking place. As you can also hear that these police officers are basically trying to give out this message for the people, the locals here, that they are not being allowed to step outside their residence, as there is heavy police deployment which is being done here. And also I would like to show you the visuals that this is the situation here. This is the result which has been what has happened yesterday after the stone pelting incident has taken place. Even on the streets, there are some scooties, the two-wheelers which are being fallen down only because of these kinds of clashes which have taken place, as some of the miscreants try to disturb the peace and harmony here. As just before this demolition drive had taken place yesterday night, there were several rounds of meetings which have also been done by the Aman committee, and then only this is basically being done by the MCD in pursuing the orders which are being given by the Delhi High Court. I would also like to show you some other visuals as well. Let us go towards this masjid area from where this demolition drive had actually taken place. As these visuals also, you can see that these were the stones. You can see in the visuals that these were the stones which are being pelted at the police officers, the MCD officers, and this is the situation here near the Ramlila Maidan. This is basically the area from where this entire incident has taken place, in which as many as 5 police officers were being injured. However, now as per the latest update which is coming in now, the investigation has also been started. Body cams and CCTV footages are basically being used to to identify those people who were being involved in this stone pelting, as now as many as 10 people have already been detained, and the investigation has has been started as of now. I would also like to show you the visuals from where this demolition drive has basically been done by the MCD. As it is also being told by the Deputy Commissioner, Mr. Vivek Agarwal, that 85% of the demolition drive has already been completed, and rest of the drive, the rest of the action will be taken after the debris will be removed from this particular area. As there are several of the bulldozers which are also being placed here, and now the trucks are also removing this debris from this particular area. As you can also see in the visuals as well, that how the MCD is continuously doing its work. They are removing this debris from this particular area. There is heavy police deployment. There is RPF official personnel who are also being deployed here, so that the peace can be maintained here. As it was also being told by the Delhi police as well in its official statement, that the minimal force was being used when this entire stone pelting incident has taken place, as there were some miscreants who had tried to disturb this entire demolition drive which is being done here near the Ramlila Maidan, and this is basically being done in pursuing of the orders which are being given by the Delhi High Court. As you can see that there is no bulldozer action which is being taken at this particular masjid. Only the encroached area which is nearby this masjid, that is being demolished by the MCD, and that is what they are also trying to give out the message to the locals as well, that there is nothing being done to the masjid. It is not even being touched, only the encroached area, which you can also see in these visuals, that the nearby area which is the encroachment area, that is being demolished by the MCD in this particular drive which has taken place yesterday night, which had started at around 1 a.m. in the night.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, let's stay with the visuals. In fact, this is in the heart of Delhi, located very close to Ramlila Maidan. The MCD wanted to remove the illegal encroachments. So that is the demolition that has taken place. The illegal encroachments around the masjid have been removed. The Masjid Sayyid Elahi had then gone to the Delhi High Court, which gave directions to the MCD to carry out the demolition work, isn't it? And so multiple encroachments have now been removed. Niyamika, you're saying that today as well the encroachment for the rest of the areas will continue after the debris is removed?
Well, yes, indeed. Already the action has started. As you can see, that the bulldozers are trying to remove this debris from this particular area. As Mr. Vivek Agarwal, who is the Deputy Commissioner, he has also told the Times Now that 85% of the demolition has already been completed, and rest of the area will be demolished after this debris will be removed in this particular region. Okay. As you can see that this is basically
just all moment, Niyamika, interrupting you for just a moment. Nitin Balsan, the DCP Central, joins us over the phone line. Thank you for joining us. What's the situation currently?
The situation is under control and the area is peaceful, madam.
Okay. So, Nitinji, there was there stone pelting? Have the police officials been injured in the incident last night?
Yesterday night, some mischievous elements threw stones at the police force. So 5 of our men were injured. The injuries were minor in nature. The people who were pelting the stones, they were pushed back using force. We ensure that minimum force is used to push back the people. After the people who pelted the stones or the crowd dispersed from the area, the demolition started.
Okay. Sir, can you also tell us, since, there have been a lot of questions raised on these stone pelting, similar incidents previously as well, where it seemed to be pre-planned. Now, it may be too early to say, was a huge crowd gathered there with the stones? What are the preliminary details, sir?
Basically, we had already taken into confidence the stakeholders of the area. Before the demolition itself, we had a lot of meetings. Our area SHOs had meetings with the leaders. Our ACPs had meetings with the leaders. As DCPs, additional DCPs also had meetings. So all the stakeholders were taken into confidence, and there was good support from the local and area people. These elements who had pelted the stones seems to be little on the mischievous side. We are trying to identify them. It doesn't prima facie look like a pre-planned thing, but it is all subject to further investigation.
Okay,
we are registering an FIR and an investigation has been launched.
Okay, and for the security also being deployed at the spot, do you anticipate any such disturbances today as well?
We are prepared, but we don't anticipate any disturbances. But in case if there is anything, we are prepared for that.
Okay, all right. Lastly, I just want to ask you, for those who are raising questions on the demolition drive itself, and have the police officials ascertained if there has been any fear mongering that has taken place? Because as my reporter was also pointing out, Niamika was pointing out that the masjid itself is not being demolished, and has there been any fear mongering of that sort? Because these are only the illegal encroachments that are being removed.
And taken into confidence the leaders and the people of the area. When the High Court order was out and the decision was taken to demolish the structures, there were a lot of rumors in the area saying that masjid is going to get demolished.
Okay.
So the court order was very clear. It was actually to demolish the structures which are in the vicinity of the masjid or mosque. So to make the people clear, we had multiple meetings and we clearly told them the court doesn't mention about the masjid. So after once we showed them the court order and gave the assurance, they also were like convinced, and this is a court process, and they assured all support. So this stone pelting event. We are actually investigating where these elements turned up, and we will find out those people and take strict action against them.
Okay, all right. Nidhi Walsan, thank you so much for joining us, sir. Kudos to you, the police personnel. These are some tough conditions to work in. Let's go across to my colleague Niamika, who's joining us from the spot. And Niamika, the police officials have also mentioned what happened, that there were some rumors that were spread that the mosque would also be affected, which is what led to this resistance from the people, stone pelting being reported. Show us the area, the kind of anti-encroachment drive that has been carried out, and the area as well. The police officials saying, of course, that the rumor mongering happened, but all the stakeholders have also been taken into confidence.
Well, yes, indeed, Pratibha. Before this demolition drive was started, there were several rounds of meetings of the Aman Committee which had taken place with the leaders as well as the locals here, just to give out this message that only the illegal encroachment area is going to be demolished. I would firstly like to show you the visuals here. This is the masjid. This is the masjid which is here at Turkman Gate, which is not at all being touched by the MCD. It is only the encroachment area, illegal encroachment area, which is being demolished. And in fact, in this particular area, I would also like to show you that how proper barricading, proper police deployment was also being done, only because there was some fear mongering which was also being done by some of the miscreants, which has led to the stone pelting incident which had taken place yesterday night, in which as many as 5 police officers have also been injured. However, they were being pushed back by the minimal force, but now as you can see that here bulldozers are still being trying to remove the debris from this particular area, as it is being told by the DC Mr. Vivek Agarwal as well, that as right now 85% demolition has been completed and rest of the part will be demolished after this debris is going to be removed. You can see that how these bulldozers are basically trying to remove all this debris from this particular area, as right now the situation is currently under control. There is heavy police deployment which is also being here. In fact, the police officers, the RPF personnel are also being being here as there is this situation which had erupted yesterday night, in which some of the people have got injured due to the stone pelting, as this is basically that particular lane which from where some of the miscreants had started gathering, and they have tried to move towards this masjid. They had started pelting stones. This is the situation here right now. It is quite peaceful. However, these were the stones. You can see that these were the stones which are being pelted towards the police officers and the MCD officers who were being conducting this demolition drive yesterday night. However, right now the situation is currently under control, and even the locals are also not being allowed to step outside their residence in view of the prevailing situation here, and that is the only reason why right now all the shops are also being closed. People are being asked to stay inside their house, and there is all the police officers who are currently being deployed here so that this rest of the demolition drive can be conducted in a peaceful manner.
Okay, all right. So the demolition drive continues. Niyamika getting us the updates from the spot. Niyamika, today's demolition drive, has it started already, and what are the measures, additional measures that have been taken by the police officials to ensure that any such resistance or any such attacks on the police officials can be deterred?
Well, yes, indeed, Pratibha, as I have also shown you the visuals here, that currently this debris is being removed by the bulldozers, as you can see here as well, that this entire drive is currently being conducted here nearby the masjid area only, as yesterday this demolition was started at around 1 o'clock at night, and all of these illegal encroachment was being demolished at that point in time, and now this debris is being removed by the MCD only, as for that reason we have been told that the 15% of the area which is still going to be demolished after this debris is going to be removed, that will be done in some time from now, as currently there is heavy police deployment. There is currently a peaceful situation which can be seen here because of the proper barricading which is being done. There is also the locals have been advised to remain inside their house. They are not being allowed to step outside, as this entire area is basically being barricaded by the police, Delhi police as well, because the situation which had prevailed yesterday night, the way in which stone pelting incident had taken place. In fact, the Delhi police has also clarified that before conducting this drive, there were several rounds of talks with the locals was also being done so that it can be conducted in a peaceful manner. This message was being given to them that this is basically only the illegal encroachment area which is going to be demolished by the MCD, and the mosque is not going to be touched. You can see here as well that the mosque is being here, as there is no such bulldozer action which is being done here, and that is what the message is being given to the locals as well. So they are also expecting that today it is going to be a peaceful way in which this entire demolition drive is going to be completed.
Okay, all right. These are directions of the Delhi High Court that has said that the encroachment should be removed, and that's what the officials are doing. They came under attack, and now an FIR has also been filed against unidentified persons, 10 people also being detained in the case. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. We come back to you through the day for those updates. For now,